What's up, dear Forex mentees? It's your coach again, Kenyan Prince, and today I'm back with the lesson 2 of Forex trading. But I felt like on this lesson I'm not going to tackle Forex trading as a course. I felt like it's time I give you the basics, or rather the things that you might be expecting to meet in your Forex journey, for you guys to stop pressuring me in my inbox, to stop asking a lot of questions, to at least get you the information that you require to have. I have a little bit of my short notes here where I'm going to refer, then give you the information you need to have. So guys, as much as I can, I'm trying to be the best teacher, and I'm trying to make everything so simple for you in order to ensure that everyone becomes out of this course as a profitable Forex trader. I wanna take a little bit of time to explain how Forex trading is being carried out. Forex trading doesn't have a central location anywhere in the world, and you can be able to carry out Forex trading irrespective of the country or irrespective of the place you are in. So whether you are in Somalia, Uganda, Tanzania, in the world, in the ocean, you can be able to carry out Forex trading as long as you have a gadget, internet connection, knowledge, capital, and the things that we listed on our first lesson. If you haven't watched our first lesson, you need to go back and watch the lesson before watching this video right over here. Another thing is that the Forex market runs for 5 days in a week. The Forex market runs from Monday to Friday. On Saturday and Sunday, there is no Forex trading that is being carried out, because you know the Forex market is being run by people. So these people must go for a break. Going further, I wanna insist on the over the counter transactions. That's why I said Forex market doesn't have a central location. The Forex trading is being carried out over the counter, so it's only over the counter transactions that are done in the Forex trading market. In Forex trading, one value, or rather one character that you are going to embrace, guys, for you to be a successful and profitable trader, is that you need to have a lot of patience. You need to be a lot more of a patient person. Since the market keeps on fluctuating in seconds, the market runs even in the Forex market runs very fast. So you might have placed a buy order, yet the market starts running down in a downtrend. I'm going to explain that later on our next lesson. A downtrend. So you might be tense and start panicking, like you're losing your money, and end the trade, and by that you will not have made the profit. But if you really took your time to analyze the market, you are able to come up with your analysis, and you know that the market, this is what is expected to be happening in the market in the next time, or in the next, like the trend that is going to come up in the market, then you should be able to understand that you need a lot of patience in the Forex market for you to become a successful trader. I'm also going to tell you how much you need to start your Forex career. Anyway, that's coming up on this video. Yes, if you remember on my first lesson, guys, I mentioned about the Forex trading being carried out in a pair form, where I said that it is a matter of two currencies being related to each other, or rather being traded against each other, where I mentioned that the first currency in a currency pair, or rather if I didn't mention, so I want to mention that the first currency in a currency pair is called a base currency, and the second currency in a currency pair is called a quote currency. For example, let's say you're trading a euro against the USD. The first currency in this currency pair, I don't know why it's not clear, guys. The first, let's say it's a euro USD. The first currency, which is the euro, is called a base currency, and the second currency is called a quote currency. In any pair, guys, even if it's a euro against a USD, a euro against a JPY against the USD, and I want you to write down for me 5 examples of currency pairs and mention which one is a currency, the base currency and the quote currency. if you are able to understand that, if I can take you back to class 3 or rather class 4, you remember a base is always constant. A base is always constant. So in this case, a base currency is always equals to 1. So if let's say the price of a given currency pair is Euro USD, then it's rated at, let's say, 1.07209, then it means that the euro is the base currency is equal to 1. So the value that is given on the other side represents the number of US dollars you need for you to have 1 euro. That one is kind of complex for some people, but I'm gonna tackle that on my next lesson. So I'm going to talk about what is a broker. A broker is not a person. These are basic things I felt like you guys need to understand before I start taking you to the complex part of forex trading, which is simple to understand, but it's kind of complicated. So a broker is not a human being. A broker is an organization or a company that intermediates you and the market. What I mean is, a broker provides you with access to the forex market for you to be able to carry out your trades. There are quite a lot number of brokers that are allow you to access the forex market, like Deriv, we have Paperstone, we have brokers like Xness, we have FX Pesa, we have XM, we have a lot. We have H Factor traders. There are a lot of brokers in the market, and the kind of choice you make for your broker is you who decides what broker you want to use. But using either of the brokers, the market doesn't change, the same trend is followed. It's only that other brokers are cheap, other brokers are expensive. Some brokers allow you to deposit a certain amount of money. Some brokers don't have a limit of how much you can deposit and how much you can withdraw. And also some brokers provide you with so many ways of recharging and withdrawing your amount, and others have a few ways of recharging and withdrawing your amount. You can get other brokers having offers like you sharing their link and using like inviting more people to join the platform, and you get some money, which is good also. Then I'm gonna talk about what is a trading platform. A trading platform is now what you use to trade. In our case, we're gonna talk about MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. I would really like you guys should download the MetaTrader 4 app, MetaTrader 5 app, and an app called TradingView. Make sure you have those apps, because I'm gonna explain how to use the apps step by step. So MetaTrader 4 provides you with, MetaTrader 4 is the most commonly used trading platform right now in the world, and it provides you with the platform for you to be able to execute your trades in the forex market. So this is the platform for you to place a trade. You go to MetaTrader 4, you place your trade there. I'm going to show you guys all the steps that are involved for you to be able to execute, or rather to place a trade. Then on this lesson, the last thing I want to talk about is how much you need to start your forex trading journey. Guys, the amount of money you require to start your trading journey may be determined by the amount of money you have. Forex doesn't have an amount that you must start with this, but most people recommend, or rather most people prefer starting with around $10. That is for, you know, for a case of somebody who doesn't have a lot of cash. But the amount of money you need to start trading for forex is not constant, that you need to have this amount for you to start trading. On some other trading brokers, you can start with even $5. So it is also being determined by the kind of broker you are using. You might use a broker that doesn't allow you to deposit less than $10. So you'll have to deposit more than $10 for you to be able to start trading in the forex market. But I'm gonna tell you what is the advantage of you depositing a huge amount like $100, and why a person who has deposited an amount like $100 has a likelihood of staying relevant in the market for quite a long period of time than a person has deposited, let's say, something like $10. When we're going to talk about the loss profit calculation, and the free margin you need to have for you to be able to make profit in the forex market. So my emphasis at the end of this lesson, I know you've been able to understand what it means by a broker, what it means by a trading platform, how much money you need to be to start your forex trading journey, and the things that you need to impress for you to become a successful, profitable forex trader. I hope you all are able to understand, and if you have a question, I've left my number down below in the description box. You can reach out to me concerning any question related to forex trading. But let's try to be systematic students, and let's try to get concepts before we jump into other things. People want to go and start analyzing charts when they don't have basic knowledge about what should be done. I'm gonna take you through a systematic process where I'm very sure each and every one of you will come out a very knowledgeable person, or rather a skilled forex trader. Thank you for watching me, and if the video was interesting for you guys, kindly consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up for it to reach more audience who need this kind of information. And yeah, let's meet on the next one. Bye bye.